answer isn't evident.
Who's next? Oh no, I think it might be
No,
Emo.
he doesn't seem that dark to me. Perhaps it could be element.
He's not that into chemistry, or maybe it is engineer.
I've never seen him on a tree, but maybe it is heavy.
Oh no, please let's not do that again.
Guess it could be EU or electric or emotion.
Or maybe it is elephant or a plant or explosion.
Or maybe it's emoji like the text he sent me yesterday.
Running out of time, so I'm just going to take a guess and say
We're almost out of time, so he's just going to take a guess and say
esophagus.
really much Chuck esophagus cheese?
Is that not it?
No, my middle name is Entertainment.
Entertainment?
Well, yeah. My middle name is Entertainment for the way I dance and sing. My middle name is Entertainment for the fun I always bring. It's entertainment for the great activities we get to do. But mostly it's my middle name because I love entertaining you. But mostly it's my middle name because I love entertaining you.
Why? That cannot be your middle name.
Yeah, we get it, Chuck. You're very entertaining.
Personally, I kind of liked Emo Chuck.
Yeah, and he looks cute in his little engineer hat.
No, guys. My middle name really is Entertainment.
Next, you're gonna tell me your first name is really Charles.
Actually, Chuck is short for Charles.
Oh, Charles, I feel like I don't even know you. It can't be Charles, right? It's not Charles. That's crazy.